astronauts, has anyone seen any Martians?
Oh, there's one!
Elmo's daddy's a Martian!
Hey, kids. I made apple slices for snack time. You're gonna love them because they love you, see?
Thanks, Daddy.
Looks good.
How's the play date going?
I was going great. Elmo and Abby and Wes were pretending to climb Mount Everest. Oh, and then we went to Mars.
Oh, it's true. We did.
Wow,
Yeah.
You've been very busy. You need a snack break.
Oh, yeah, we do.
Zoe's mom called. Zoe can't come play because she hurt her foot dancing.
That's too bad. Elmo wishes that Zoe could play with us. Yeah, me too. I miss her.
Yeah, me too. Hey, what if we bring something to Zoe so she knows we're thinking about her?
Oh, yeah. But what can we bring to her?
Oh, I didn't think that far. Wait. Apple slices.
Huh?
Well, Zoe is missing snack time, and apple slices are her favorite. So, what if we bring her some to cheer her up?
Oh, that's a great idea. Yeah, good idea, but you know what would cheer Zoe up even more? A lovey to cuddle with, like baby David. See, Elmo has lots of loveys. Like this giraffe, and like this dinosaur, and also this dog, and this one. This is a frog, and this one is. Elmo doesn't even remember this penguin.
Oh, that's from the aquarium when you were 2, remember?
Oh, yeah. Thanks, Daddy. Elmo will give it to Zoe to make her feel better. Well, apples and loveys are nice, but you know what makes everything better? Glitter. Yeah, we can give Zoe this Feel Better Soon card that has lots and lots of glitter on it. You can never have too much glitter.
But what about the apple slices?
Don't forget the penguin. Glitter. Penguin.
Apples.
Glitter. Penguin.
Apples.
Glitter. Penguin.
Apples.
Kids, I think I might have something to break this 3-way tie. Ta-da!
A basket?
How's a basket gonna help us figure out what to bring Zoe?
Well, the basket's pretty big. What if all of our gifts could fit in there?
Now you're on to something, Wes.
There's room for my glitter card. And Elmo's penguin fits too.
Our Get Well basket is gonna be great. I hope it makes Zoe feel better.
Doesn't it feel nice to do a kind thing for a friend?
Yeah, it really does.
It does, Daddy.
All right, now let's get the last of the apple slices in.
Daddy!
Uh-oh.
Oh, I guess we're gonna need some more apple slices, huh?
Yep.
All right, I'll be right back.
Goodness.